Good morning, beautiful people of the world. Welcome to episode 9. We are in Oudtshoorn. We have come to an ostrich show farm, and I think we're gonna do an ostrich tour and possibly ride the ostriches a bit later. Yeah, I'm here with Marco again, my brother, for those of you that don't know. Yeah, we'll see you around. What's up, guys? So that was a lot of fun. I think Marco enjoyed the riding a lot. I wasn't brave enough to do it, sorry. But no, so it was really cool. I would highly suggest you guys come visit. I think we're at Highgate Ostrich Show Farm. It's just outside Oudtshoorn, really cool. Yeah, so if you guys get a chance, if you find yourself out here in the middle of nowhere, do come visit. But thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like down below if you enjoyed it and subscribe. Cheers.